Hey, hey, hey. Hey, man, I'm gonna show you a little 29 years experience, 50,000 golf cart fixed and count. I'm gonna show you this little tip here, man. Gotta have a converter here, all right? Now, the fuse blew, when we turned it on, the fuse blew on it. And let me say this here. If you've done nothing wrong and the fuse blew, I'm gonna teach you this right here, man. You will listen or you will learn, one or two. I hope you listen. Don't do the obvious. Put it there with your hand. Don't do that, man, because watch it. If the fuse blows because you did nothing wrong, that means internally the converter's bad. Watch what happens. Now imagine this here if I didn't have the fuse out of my hand. Imagine what it'd do to your hand. If you're that close to it, watch it. See that? Look at it. Imagine if your finger would have been there holding like you normally would, like this. It'd fried your finger, man. So make sure, man, you use a pliers if the fuse blows because the converter's bad. It's shorted internally. All right, man. Want to give you a little tip. Hey, hey, hey.